In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Behance banner. If you want your profile to instantly communicate your style, your banner is prime real estate, and updating it only takes a moment. Start by logging into Behance and clicking your profile picture in the top corner to open your profile page. This brings you to the area where your banner lives. Right at the very top of the screen. Move your cursor over that top section. When you hover over the banner area, Behance reveals editing options right on the spot. If you already have a banner, you'll see the option to replace it. If you don't have one yet, you'll see an option to add a banner. Go ahead and click Replace or click Add a banner if this is your first time setting it up. A file picker will open so you can choose an image from your computer. For best results, pick a wide, high-resolution image so it looks crisp across different screens. Clean, simple visuals work great here. Think a brand pattern, a textured background, or a collage of your work, anything that reflects your creative voice without getting cluttered. JPG and PNG files are safe choices, and keeping the subject of your image toward the center helps avoid awkward cropping on different devices. After selecting your image, Behance will load it into the banner area with on-screen tools to help you fine-tune the composition. Use the drag controls to reposition your image so the most important parts are visible. If a zoom slider appears, use it to scale the image in or out until the framing feels just right. Take a second to check the top edges and corners. Make sure text, logos, or focal points aren't cut off. This is a great moment to think about harmony with your profile picture and your featured projects below. Your banner should complement, not compete. When everything looks aligned and polished, click Done to apply the new banner. Behance will save your changes and refresh your profile with the updated look. Give the page a quick glance to confirm the banner displays exactly how you expected. If something feels off, you can hover again and replace it as many times as you like until you are satisfied. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.